everyone, I'm Vivian Lin, educator at LACMA. Today we have Chef Chandra Williams for the second episode of Cooking with LACMA. Chandra was born in Fiji and is of Indo-Fijian heritage. She moved to California in 1979, and over the years, she's been teaching many types of Fijian cooking here in Los Angeles. The exhibition, Fiji, Art and Life in the Pacific, showcases the richness of indigenous Fijian culture. In connection with that, Chandra will show us how to make a delicious indigenous Fijian dish. Enjoy the video.
Bula Vinaka. Hello, I'm Indo-Fijian chef Chandra Williams. I am excited to show you how to prepare a traditional Fijian dish, Ika Vakalolo, or fish with coconut cream. The Fiji exhibition at the Los Angeles County Museum of Art has an impressive handcrafted drawer, a sacred canoe used for fishing and transportation. As an island country surrounded by water, fish is a common ingredient in Fijian cuisine. Coconut is very easy to find in Fiji. Today, we are using coconut cream. Indigenous Fijians also utilized the shell, leaf, and fiber of the coconuts to make baskets, cups, and other cultural heritage items. Now follow me inside and I'll show you how to make Ika Vakalolo. I'm going to turn on the stove now. And for Ika Vakalolo, we are going to proceed with all these ingredients. I'm going to add oil to the saute pan. And while it's heating, I'm going to mix the flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to coat the fish. You can use tuna, halibut, or any fish of your choice. So I'm going to mix the flour here. We'll just put it right here. And the salt. And there's just only a little bit of salt. So I'm going to take the fish each and coat it on all sides. Like such. A lot of coating is good. All right, I'm going to now place the fish in the pan, one at a time. So like such. You can hear the sizzling of the fish. The oil is ready. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. And while it's cooking, I'm going to proceed with other ingredients. I'm going to slice the onion, like such. Cut the onions and slice into a 1/4 inch pieces. Just put them here on the board. Now I have 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put them out here. And dice the garlic like such. Slice and then dice. I'm going to slice the chilies. I love chilies, but some of you may not like hot and spicy, so you can omit the chilies. I'm just going to give one nice slice in the middle like such, or you can dice it or cut it on an angle. Now I'm going to chop the cabbage, or bok choy. In Fiji we call it cabbage, green cabbage, but here it's bok choy. So we're going to chop the bok choy in about such pieces. I'm going to put this back and just cut these whites a little bit so that it's not all that big. We are also going to use spinach, coconut cream, and other ingredients. Now let me check the fish. The fish is nicely browned. Let me take it out and put it on a pan, on a dish. So I'm going to turn the heat a little bit low and add onions to it right away. And garlic. So you can use your knife to scoop up the garlic. Give a little bit of stir. Looking good and smelling good. Now you have all the aroma from the onions and the garlic. I am going to go ahead now and add the cabbage. The spinach. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add water. We've got the 2 slices of chilies in there. I'm going to give it a stir to make sure that the spinach and the cabbage or the bok choy shrinks down. It's time to add the fish back to the pan. So I'll take one at a time. And I'm going to place the tomatoes next on and around the fish. That looks really good. I'm now going to pour the coconut cream over it all around. And you want this on high heat because you want the juice to cover the fish as much as possible. So I'm going to use the spoon to help the coconut cream cover all inside the sauce and around the fish and on the fish. And lastly, I'll be adding some lemon juice to that. I'm going to turn the heat off, squeeze a little bit of lemon juice all around it to give that nice little tangy flavor. I am now going to take the fish out and put it on a plate. Put the vegetables first because the vegetables then will be on the bottom, and then we'll place the fish on the top. Well, this is the dish. Traditionally, Fijians would eat this with cassava, taro, or rice. Thank you for joining me and allowing me to share the Fijian food and culture with you today. If you make this dish at home, please share on social media and tag at LACMA to let us know. More there for now.